So this is the new test with the new GoPro Hero 13. Just want to let you guys just see what it looks like going through this camera. Don't know how I feel about the fisheye effect though. So I got this set the low light setting, and it does so. It's making the image look a little bit brighter, and that's really cool. Now we're back to the preset setting that I record with. So yeah, I mean, you guys let me know how you perceive this to turn out. Looks good so far. Okay, so is this thing working? I am trying this this pairing mode with my GoPro, and I am not really sure how this is working out. When I am in a windy environment, I kind of just feel like, you know, it's there. So you guys let me know what you think of the audio. It's kind of wanting to spit some rain here, so yeah, I don't know how this is going to turn out. Like I said, just go ahead and let me know what you guys think of how this thing sounds with it being all paired up versus the other way that it was with just the external mic.